Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening personalization settings directly, right-click the desktop and select Personalize. Once there, choose Background and Pick Picture to set a single photo. Solid color or slideshow are options if you prefer simpler looks. Click Browse to locate your image file on the HP drive. Use JPG or PNG for best compatibility. Make sure to set the fit option, fill, fit, or stretch, so the image scales correctly across your screen. This prevents cropping or distortion as you proceed. Once you've chosen the image, refine how it appears. Select the fit option to control scaling across a single monitor or span for multiple displays. If you choose slideshow, click Browse to pick a folder, set the interval e.g. 1 minute, 10 minutes, and toggle Shuffle for random order. Then open Display Settings to confirm scale and resolution match your HP screen. This preserves sharpness and prevents blurriness. Apply the changes, and you'll immediately see the new background take effect across your desktop. To finish, lock your screen or sign out and back in to confirm the background persists. This ensures the setting saves to your account. If it doesn't stick, first verify you're not signed into a synced Microsoft account that overrides local settings. Make sure the image file is accessible to your user. Move it to Pictures if needed. If problems continue, restart Windows Explorer or reboot the PC. That often forces the update. One quick tip: disable any third-party personalization app before retrying to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.